I'm Kate, you're the Sleepy Fam. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Today, I just wanted to give you one of my top teaching tips. So if you're already done with school, this is something that you could plan for next year, or it might be something that you come back in. I know a lot of you work over the summer. Okay, so your back to school budget, that might be just what your school, the amount of money your school allots to you, if they do. Or you might say, okay, I have this much for my school, but I'm also willing to spend this much of my own money. Regardless of whatever choice or option that you're on, whatever path you're on, you still need to set a budget. And if you buy all the items that you need first, then you have any leftover money, take that money and put it into books or put it into those fun little cutesy decorations that you want for your classroom. But don't buy all that stuff because it's just like, come and buy me. You know how that is when you go into a store, right? We're all like impulse buyers, right? But I want you to go through like your list first, buy those items, and then if you have any money left over, then spend that money on all the extra like stuff that you want for your room. So I'm gonna go through my room right now and I'm gonna show you kind of how I do that.
I could see this through. I could wait another night. One more night, one more night. I could fight it through till the darkness turns to light. One more night, one more night. Say it's gonna be okay, 'cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me. Say there's gonna be a change, 'cause I feel like I'm just holding on to yesterday. But if I wait till the summer,
later, school's out. And I just wanted to continue on with the rest of this video here. And basically, now that you've gone through your entire classroom and you've made the list of the items that you actually need, you can start kind of making a wish list of those items that you just either just really want but don't really need, or they've just kind of been something you've been eyeing for a long time. So going into my 16th year of teaching, I don't really need that many things, but I do have a couple things. Like I always am keeping my eye out for different organizational ideas, so I need that. And I want to increase the seat crates. Those were super popular in my classroom this year. I have 4 extra pieces of wood. That's the part that the kids sit on, that you cover with the fabric and whatnot. If you don't know how to make a seat crate, I will link that video. I think it's on this side for you. You can go watch that. But I had a student who donated the kind of the crate part already. So I really only need 3 more crates. I have the wood, but I will need to go buy more fabric. So that's on my list. And then any sort of organizational things. There were a few things that did not work very well for me this year, like my, art supplies, the colored pencils and crayons. So I need to come up with a different system there. And I wanted to get possibly some more blankets and pillows and stuffed animals. Those were a huge hit with my 3rd graders. So those are a few items that are on my wish list. Here are the items that I actually need here and here. And then these are kind of my wish list items, and that might grow as I do Pinterest more or as I see things on Instagram. But for now, that's kind of my list of the items that I need going into next year. Okay, so for part 3, and yes, there's gonna be a part 3, check for that tomorrow. It's gonna be on the reflection part of this little series. So if you are liking what you're seeing, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Our goal is 7,500 subscribers by 12/31. We're far, far away from that. So subscribe if you liked this video, hit the little bell. I usually post around 4 p.m. But I don't have specific days of the week. So hitting that bell will definitely be helpful for you, or you can just look for me at 4 o'clock. If you liked this video, make sure you hit that little thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Our goal is 7,500 subscribers, so we are quite far away from that currently. And if you did like this video or you like this content, leave me a comment down below. Let me know if there's something that you want to see for future videos. And what else was I gonna say? Remember. Subscribe, like, comment. We always say that, don't we? At least I do. And yeah, definitely check back. I usually post videos around 4 p.m. And unless I'm doing a collab, that'll come out at an earlier time. There are many, many variety of things that we do here at the Sleepy channel. The Sleepy channel, the Sleepy Teacher, this YouTube channel. So if you are interested and want to see more videos, then definitely subscribe. I already said that. Oh my God, I'm so annoying. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna go.